Hey there, my YouTube fam. Today I'm going to teach you this quick blue glittery smoky eye makeup with fundamental techniques. So let's get started. Taking Inglots gel liner and start off by applying the liner to my lid area. Here I am spreading the liner only on the 1/3 area of my lid. Now I am applying this black shade from Morphe X James Charles palette, applying over the gel liner. This brush is from MORPHE Brushes, blending the black edges with this blue shade. Here I am slightly blending the black shade. Same on the other eye. This brush is from Morphe Brushes, taking this nude brown shade and blending the blue shade and soften the edges. This brush is from BH Cosmetics, taking this blue glitter from UCANBE Starry palette and dabbing the glitter on my lid. Wow, just look at those sparkles. Applying mascara to my lashes. So this is the complete look. I hope you will all like it. Give this video a like if you liked it, share and consider subscribing. Bye bye.